nail went through both sides of the tube, y'all.
You light it with either the one that's the end of the last one, you know, fairly light end, right? Or
it's a lot faster than ride a bike.
It is, yeah.
That was a pretty cool pit stop. We're all gonna go over here and charge.
Did he ride up there? What? This is a ramp? This whole thing's a ramp?
Everybody's up here charging. It's 20 miles to get back to where we need to go. So everybody's getting a quick top off. I, of course, am dumb, so I didn't bring my charger. But I also left with a full battery. And we've gone 9.3 miles, so I think I'll be all right. Hopefully. We shall see. It's not 20 miles back to the beach though, so if anything, I can stop by the hotel and get my other battery. Need some light?
Thank you.
Ready to roll. Man, that bike is so big, the heat controls the hell out of it. What's up there?
Just more wood. I mean, it's an old restaurant that's up there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's pretty cool up there, though.
All right, guys, we're back. Okay, we're cruising out here. It's about 42 degrees. I'm gonna stop and put my gloves on because we're about to go faster. And I didn't put them on.
Nothing else is gonna happen.
Yeah, so I got towed, and then you got a flat.
Dude, that
The nail went through both sides of the tube, y'all. So we're over here, pulled over on the side of the road, pulling out the tube on the Huck and patching the tire twice. What a day.
What you do is just pop this off, and you light it with either the one that's the end of the last one, you know, fairly light end, right? Or
Friendly officer hooked us up with some flares. He saw us over here on the side of the road. So we tried patching the tire. He actually had 2 holes in the tube. So we patched them, but it wouldn't take. It wasn't taking air. So Marv jetted out in the super bike. He's gonna go get his truck and come back to get Shreddie's Huck. And then I'm gonna ride over to my hotel. But yeah, this officer was super cool. He's hooking us up with some flares, so we don't get pulverized by drunk drivers. Apparently this is a big drunk driver road, so we don't need any of that. So yeah, check back with us in a little bit, y'all. Hopefully we get home.
Still, if you want to go on a long trip, it's, you know,
Yeah.
it's a lot faster than ride a bike.
It is, yeah. So that's what's cool about it. Like I come from Lewis and go, you know, through trails and then all the way up over the bridge.
Hey, what's up, riders? Still at it. Everybody else has left, like smart people, and gone home because it was cold. It was getting late. But I hung out with Shreddie while Marv was going to get the truck, and he came back super fast. So they're already on the way back to Shreddie's to drop his bike off. I'm heading back to my hotel. And it was a pretty shitty day, man. This is the first day of my vacation, and it was terrible. As far as like the van getting towed, Brad Alex kickstand broke, and then Shreddie got a flat. Man, it sucked. It's terrible. Just not a good day for us. But we still got to get a ride in. They were nice enough to like meet me at the hotel, help me unload the bikes, which was awesome. And that took some time out of their day and their ride, but that's crew, man. That's the squad. They helped out. I gotta get those tire levers that Marv has. Those things are amazing. But yeah, man, we tried patching a tire on the side of the road. We did that successfully, but the combination of slime plus the patch and us trying to hurry, and probably the cold wasn't helping. It just wasn't taking. So thankfully Marv has that heavy duty hitch and trailer, because he was able to just come and get his bike like it was nothing. So tomorrow should be a better day. Hopefully Shreddie gets his wicked thumb and we can check that out. But it looks like the Huck is down for a bit, and Shreddie's probably going to be riding my Blue X class tomorrow while he's waiting for the Wicked to come. I know his RX is still on the way, so he may not have a bike for tomorrow, but thankfully I brought both of mine. And then hopefully the Wicked thumb comes, man. I really want to check that bike out. So hey y'all, first day, not too eventful. Still got a cool ride in. We threw the drones up by the bridge, and it was still fun, man. We still rode with the crew despite all the bullshit that happened today. Not a terrible day. Tomorrow's another day, and I'm rolling with my best friend here, so I can't really complain. Rusty's here hanging out. I think he's ready for some R&R. He deserves it. And call it a night. Do it again tomorrow, hopefully with less problems, and hopefully you guys tune in for that as well. So hey y'all, thanks again for watching. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the likes. If you guys want an Ariel Rider X class, an Ariel Rider D class, the new Grizzly that's coming out, double battery, double motor, double suspension, a monster. If you guys are interested in any of those bikes, feel free to use the code RustyRoads. You'll get 50 bucks off any of those, and you can use that to buy some gear for your bike. And let me know what you got in the comments. I'm very curious to know what everybody's interested in, what bikes people are ordering, what the delays are like, because I know most people that order an e-bike don't get it right away. So yeah, drop some comments. Let's talk, let's chat. If you guys have any questions about the X class, let me know. Throw those in the comments as well. So as always, take care of each other. Peace. Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back. I'm actually trying to find some food. I'm hoping something's open still. It's after 11 o'clock. Rusty's back at the hotel, passed out. Just gonna do a quick cruise and see if I can find something that's open. I also moved my microphone somewhere else in my helmet. I don't know how I sound right now. Hopefully you're hearing me clearly. I don't think anything's open around here. That place is closed. That place says breakfast. That's not open. What do we got? Yeah, hopefully you don't hear any wind noise with this, and hopefully my voice is clear. I don't think anything's open around here. Man, these are big ass gloves. I got some small hands. I can barely touch anything with these. Yeah, let's do a throttle test. I'm like doing 30.5 miles an hour. But when I was pedaling, I hit 31. There we go, 31.5. Flat ground, so yeah, pedal assist makes a difference. Yeah, I need to get one of those adhesive, like anti-fog strips for my visor. This is terrible. If I don't have a mask on, then my nose fogs up the bottom half of the visor. And if I have a mask on, it shoots up the top of the mask and it fogs up in front of my eyes on the visor. So either the top or the bottom of the visor is foggy or both. So that shit's gotta go. So I'll try one of those adhesive strips. Somebody suggested one in the comments. I really appreciate that. I cannot remember who it was, their name at the moment, but I do appreciate it, man. Hopefully I'll be getting a Ruroc helmet soon, because every time I see somebody wearing one of those, they're not complaining about fogginess at all. But yeah, I really hope this microphone sounds decent right now, because if it does, there's no wind noise or minimal, and I'm clear and I'm loud enough. I know part of that is me just I need to speak up. But if this setup works, I'll be really happy, because it's super sleek in my helmet. My goodness, my mask is just all fog. This is not good. Maybe I'll try the dandruff shampoo trick. Apparently, if you put dandruff shampoo on the inside and outside of your visor and apply it like wax, it'll give you some fog protection. So maybe I'll try that. Man, is there a 7-Eleven or something out here? Jeez. There's the ocean. There's no food. This is a really cool strip though. All the buildings are really unique and cool looking. Ooh, go fish. British fish and chips. I wish that was open now. I might have to get that tomorrow. Well, let's go take a look at the ocean at night. I'm gonna cruise the sidewalk at night. This thing is empty. Under the boardwalk, under the boardwalk. Hey, let's not go under the boardwalk, let's go away from it. One more little go around, see if there's anything open. If not, then I'm just gonna have this energy bar that I have in my pack and wait till morning. The hotel has breakfast for 40 bucks a night. We'll see what that breakfast is like. I mean, I'll be happy with anything that's included. Well, I can't complain though. I mean, 40 bucks for a hotel. I got a pretty cool discount through work. So a block or two away from the ocean. Granted, it's winter, so that's why it's so cheap, but that cheap hotel room really, really helped, considering I had to pay 250 bucks today to get the goddamn U-Haul truck out of the impound. because people don't know how to check for passes on dashboards. Because I had my pass on my dashboard. So you guys will see that video at some point. It's a really short one. I recorded the lady not wearing her mask after I asked her to. And I also recorded myself and an officer walking up to the U-Haul and seeing that the pass was just in there the whole time and they didn't need to tow it. But of course that was after I paid the $250, because that's how predatory tow companies work. Probably everywhere, but definitely in Maryland. Definitely where I live. There's nothing open around here. Let's go home. But yeah, man, it's pretty bad where I live. That tow company is no joke. So I'm posting it on YouTube, and I complained to my condo association, and we'll see if they can do anything to help. But if y'all have snacks or food at home, eat a little bit for me, because I'm hungry. Maybe they have a vending machine in here. I'll check that out. But yeah, that sucks. There's like nothing open here right now. Hey Google, what's the nearest 7-Eleven? 18 miles? Lord, nope. Damn. Alright, y'all. It's finally good night. I'm giving up. I'm crashing. Heading in. Peace, y'all. Take care of each other.